Hi guys, what's up? It's Don here. I'm going to be throwing these little homemade lures on me today. There's one I have a 22 bullet, and there's some other ones there. There's a little bass right there if y'all can't see him. But I'm going to be trying to catch some fish out of this park today with my homemade lures, so let's see what happens. Get this camera back on. Bam. Put those in my pocket. I tried out this little lure right here in my son's his little swimming pool, and I'm gonna see if I can catch fish on it. Just got done making it today, so. Oh yeah, and I'm throwing it on a little bitty tiny rod. It's spinning, I can feel it. It's heavy too. Oh yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna catch this little bass right here. Oh, he turned to it. See if I can catch one on all three of these lures. Ooh, there was something there. All right, this is gonna be harder than I thought. I figured these catch something fairly quick. Let's see. Gotta watch for snakes too. I don't feel like getting bit, so I'll throw it over here in this shadier spot. That was a pretty fun fight. That fish felt bigger than it did because this rod's so tiny. I'm just throwing 6-pound line on it, that's all I'm doing. That was pretty fun. Let's see if I can get it over here. Well, that ain't where I wanted it, by God. Get it back there farther. I think I'm gonna start stocking this pond, put some big bass in it, because there's a ton of bluegill in here. I mean, there's a little fry and everything just everywhere swimming around. So if I put them big fish in here, they're gonna have enough food to eat on for a while. So give it one more cast, and I think I'm gonna try the other spot. Actually, I'm gonna give it one more over there. I think I just saw a fish bust over there, so. Got a daggum leaf on there. Of course, by the time I get it in, the leaf's off. Just how my luck goes. All right, guys, we are here at the next spot. As you can see, I'm at Mayfield. Right there's the big cow. Gonna be throwing the lure again, the little homemade lure. Gonna toss it out there and see if I can't get me a little fish to chase it in. Well, if I can get off that branch. My Lord. First daggum cast. I'm gonna throw it up this way and see if I can get one to come out from under that bridge. Oh yeah, they're in there. Oh yeah, there's fish everywhere. They're not very big, but they're in there. There's like 50 of them right here. 50 of them. I for sure thought I was gonna catch a fish out of this. There we go. There's a little fish. What is that? Is that like a little... I don't even know what this is. Like a little shiner or something? I caught him. There we go. I believe that's a little shiner, y'all. I ain't too sure what he is. But I'm gonna let him go. There he goes. I think I ruined his day hooking that lip for him. But, oh well, I needed to catch a fish and I caught one. So, we're doing good. So basically what I'm doing, they're all over it. They just ain't very big, that's the problem. Like I was telling you earlier, it's hard to get a decent sized fish out of a creek. A creek of this size anyway, I mean it's just really shallow. But I am gonna walk up just a little bit farther before I have to go meet this lady. I think I'm gonna fish this deeper portion here. It's looks to be like, I don't know, 3 or 4 feet deep. So hopefully there's a fish in it. Something lurking around, having a good time. Oh my God, did I really just do that? I got it back, that's good. I threw that sucker way too high. See if I can just get a, there we go. It's hard to cast right here with this little bitty rod. Oh dude, there's big fish in here. That looks like a big largemouth. Yeah, that looked like a big largemouth. There we go. Got something. It's another one of them shiners, I think is what they called. I don't know. Boy, he wanted it, boy. He got 2 hooks in him. He wasn't hooked the best, but they're slimy little fish. Get a hold of him there. He's pretty too. God, that'd be good bass bait. That'd be really good bass bait. Let him go back. I'm gonna take me a few more casts. It's hard for me to leave whenever the fish are biting, so that lady might just have to wait a few minutes. Those things act like they're trout. They might be trout, to be honest with you. I mean, I don't know what they are, but they can hit my line if they want to. Gotta fix that hook. That thing turned sideways on me. Ooh, that was a hit. Alright, I'm gonna throw it back out there and see if I can get another one. I can't get it to where I want it because there's trees everywhere. I don't want to move up any further and spook them. There we go, that's a decent cast there. There we go, there's another one. That's a better one. There we go. Hey guys, so I'm not really sure what went down with the rest of this video. If you look a little bit forward, you could see where I caught the last fish. And I thought I put the next clip in there as well, but the next clip is gone. So, I don't know. But anyway, if y'all like the video and you want to see more, like, comment, subscribe, and please share with your friends. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.